In this video I'm going to show you how we go from this messed up piece of concrete to this finished tiled floor. I'll show you all the steps of how we achieve this. If this video helps you, please subscribe. Cheers! Okay, first up we had to strip up the old Antico tiles that were put down with some weird glue, and we really struggled. It pulled the original latex up because the latex wasn't primed properly, and yeah, the glue was an absolute pain in the bum. It took 2 days to rip this whole thing up. It was an absolute nightmare. That's a stripper, and yeah, we struggled. So after that was done, we were left with this concrete with bits of the screed come up. So we primed the concrete underneath, which didn't have any glue on it, because we didn't want to prime the latex because it still had bits of glue on it. So we didn't want to reactivate the glue with the primer, but we wanted to prime the bare concrete. So that's why you see bits of primer in places. So now next on to mixing the screed. And we're using 1200 because it goes over any adhesive residues. That means the old glue that's left down, this screed will go over it no problem. We've never had a problem with it. So I'm going to spread it. As you can see, I've put it on some wheels. Makes it easier to move around the bucket rather than dragging it. I'm going to put a nice healthy spread of latex on the floor to fill in the hose and make it nice and smooth, ready for the tiles to go on top. We do have a spiky roller. What we give it a roll helps get rid of the trial marks.
We do have a power cable running through, and it's not really that secure down, so we've taped it like this so the latex can get beside it and run down underneath to make it solid, because this does have it to rise up, so you've got to tape it down. So yeah, that'll be solid once the latex is over it and sort of goes around the pipe. So it needs to go in and around the pipe and it will hold it in place. So yeah, just need a bit more latex. The next bucket's on the mix, so we'll carry it on. Right, next day, she's all dry. As you can see, all dry. Customer came in last night and walked on it, maybe a little bit early, but we'll sand that out. We'll get the sander on the go.
Down the floor down.
Copper disc with sanding pad.
After that we put the tiles down and it's a herringbone effect.
It's alright.
Thanks for doing everything I asked.
That's alright. I'll talk over
And
anyway.
we even did the stairs. If you notice, the bottom step squared off as well. So we squared the bull nose off.
nosing, tiles, riser, tread, coloured silicone, and white silicone down the sides. So, got a little tray on the top poking down. Follow my channel for more tips.